Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we have finally hit the finale of our holiday glam series. It's almost Christmas Eve. This video will be up on Christmas Eve, so I wanted to just go ahead and wrap everything up so that you have all the ideas that you need to wear for Christmas, Christmas party, Christmas Eve, whatever it may be. This is super festive and more artsy. I know that for me it would be over the top to wear out, but for other people it may be fine. But either way, I just think it's a beautiful look. I had a lot of fun just creating and having fun blending and just experimenting, and I think it is super festive and ready for Christmas. So I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please continue to watch. Please also continue to give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing, if you like this series, if you like this look. Also, don't forget to share these videos so other people can see how we got these looks, and also please subscribe to my channel and encourage other people to subscribe so we can continue to grow. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Bye bye. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started on the finale of our holiday glam series. So this is going to be super duper festive, very Christmassy, and then next week we'll be starting our New Year's glam series. So this is going to be really fun. So for now, let's go ahead and moisturize these lips because they're feeling a little dry. And I'm using the Skin Iceland Solutions Limited Edition Berry Lip Fix, which I got in a Ipsy bag. Once again, we're going to be doing this whole series using the Crayon Case Box of Crayons palette. I'm going to go in with my concealer first, and then I'll put a little bit of the NYX white base on top. LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. So here's my NYX white base. I just wanted to make this concealer lighter pretty much. I really want to try the P. Louise base. I should have got it on Black Friday. In my mind, I'm thinking that I want to do festive, like a cut crease that has half red, half green. Then on the lid, the glitter with the green and the red. So we're going to see how this comes out. But that's what's going on in my head. This is our Box of Crayons palette. And for our transition shade, we're going to go into the yellow and the tan color. Now that we have our transition shade down, we're going to go ahead and start to go into the red. I'm going to start off with this small brush here, and this is our red shade. And then it's going into the crease, but only at the front. And now I'm going to go into the green, and the green is going to meet halfway and go out. And this is the green color. Okay, and so now to concentrate the color a little bit more, I'm going in with this brush here that you see comes to a point, and we're going to go back into the red and the green. And now I'm going to use this brush here and just blend this together. I don't have any product on it right now, just want to blend this together first. Now I want to bring some of that pigmentation back, so I'm going to come back in and I'm going to use this brush here and I'm going to go back into the red and then we'll do the green. Now back into the green. Brush cleaner, and then I'm going to blend the edges. This is a natural hairbrush and we're going to blend out the ends of this. So this is good so far. This is what we have. Now I'm going to go ahead and start working on cutting the crease using our LA Girl Pro Conceal. Before I go into cutting the crease, right underneath where I have the two colors, I'm going to go ahead and go into our Deep Plum, and I want to use that just to be a line pretty much of where I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm just going to blend that back and forth right here. That is good. Now I'm going to go back into the red and the green just to get the color pigment to be a little bit more stronger. I use this brush without any product on it and we're going to blend out the harsh lines. Here is my red pigment. It looks like this. And I'm going to be applying that onto my lid. So that is good. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with our green pigment and do the other side. This is the green. Looks like that. It's not really the right color green, but when we put the glitter over it, it will be fine. Okay, so that is looking good so far. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the front, and I just really want to blend out that harsh line that's bothering me. So I'm gonna go into the yellow and tan and just blend out that line. I want to intensify the red and green once again in the crease. Good. Now let's go ahead and start with this glitter, this red glitter here. And then we also have our green glitter, which is here. We're using the NYX glitter glue. So this is what we're looking at right now. Going in with the red again. Blend out the harsh lines. Go ahead and add our liner. I'm gonna do a thick liner. Eyeliner went on good, especially if you're going over glitter. This is the Luxe Pen Artist Edition from Reader Tray. Going in with the clearly brighter moisturizer from Garnier. It has Spectrum 350 in it. I don't really need it because I'm not going anywhere. It's nighttime, but I'm just gonna put this on anyway because this is a part of my regular routine. This is the Unique Glorious Touch Primer. And go into, this is 340, just a tad too light, but that's what I'm gonna use. Go into our LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Espresso. I'm going to put our Sacha Buttercup powder on to set the face. For the contour, we're going to use the Ebony Bronzer, and this is from CoverGirl. So we're going to go in with the black liner. I'm going to go in with the Stila and Kitten Karma. These fluffy lashes. I'm gonna let that dry a little. I forgot I need to put on some mascara first before I do that. The one feels like it needs to dry a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the bottom lashes. ColourPop Banging Brunette. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush right here. Tarte Feisty blush from the Crayon Case. This thing has some stars on it. I'm just gonna add some stars. Align my lips with this Soul from Colored Rain. And then go in with Unique Sizzling Liquid Lipstick. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look. I knew that I wanted it to be over the top festive, and I didn't know exactly what I was going to do or how it was going to come out, but I feel like it is so festive, so Christmas, and I'm here for it. If this doesn't get you in the spirit, I don't know what will, okay? So I just really have fun being artistic with this look, and you guys let me know how you feel about this look below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. In the comments, please let me know. Did you guys like this series? Do you want me to do one for New Year's Eve? I will definitely do that if you let me know in the comments below. It took a lot to do this. It was a lot of time, and I work full time, and then I come home and then I do the video, and I'm up till 3 o'clock in the morning sometimes, but I don't mind doing it for you guys if you do enjoy it. So let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share these videos so other people can see how to get these looks. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and encourage other people to subscribe so we can continue to grow and flourish. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all